go towards you a bit. Watch your hand. There you go. Okay, go down.
Whoa.
Okay, good. I'll do the thing, the pulling here, because it's gonna be this way.
Yeah.
This is like, you gotta go more, you like clip it. You have to lift it and then put it on the clip, on the, top of it. You got a bar? Yeah, there's a bar here, use my axe. Just flip it over so you can go, I'll push it over, just tip it over. No. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's at the end. I think. Okay. Pull it inside of you. Keep going. Okay. Go on. Okay, now. Okay. Just stay right there.
Now, we're smart, we'll open the window.
Hey.
I'll go outside.
Yeah.
I can hold the window.
Okay.
I think I can go around the end today.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
At the window?
Yeah, good. You can go around, don't worry, because I lost the weight on this side. I know you weigh 200 pounds there. And then some.
Yeah. Not that.
Oh, you're clipped. You're clipped in. You're clipped in still. Okay. Oh. Okay, I'll open the window a little bit more. Just hold on, I'll bring it towards me first. Because it's on that thing there. Just a second. There. Okay, just hold on a second. Okay. You got the hand on there?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, so now, this old deep room. Let me fix this one here first. There you go. Okay. Now, this one goes here. Yes. Okay. So now, I gotta lift and push it in. More in. At the end. This second, I'll do this one here. Oh, that's it. Okay.
Put a gap on top.
Hey, that's okay, I don't care about that. That's no problem. Lots of insulation. But just don't hold too much on that thing there. Okay, my window's gonna come in, right. More, right there. Okay.
You're stepping out here.
Hey,
You're stepping out here.
oh yeah, just a second.